King's command, bow to the idol. He who does not bow, he said, will burn in the fire. Shadrach, Meshach, Abednego, they stood unafraid. Said, "Oh King, listen, we have one God. Before that idol, we will never bow our heads. Our God is alive, He cares for us. He can save us from this fiery furnace. And even if He doesn't, we still won't fear you. Even in the fiery furnace, Jehovah is standing with them to save His servants. See, He has come, yeah. 7 times hotter the furnace was blazing, but they walked in the middle like a cool breeze blowing. Even in the fiery furnace, Jehovah is standing. The king was astonished when he looked into the fire. Didn't we throw in 3 men? Who is this 4th one? The 4th one looks like a son of God. Before His glory, the fire's power was broken. Even in the fiery furnace, Jehovah is standing with them to save His servants. See, He has come, 7 times hotter the furnace was blazing, but they walked in the middle like a cool breeze blowing. Even in the fiery furnace, Jehovah is standing. They came out, not even a hair was singed. No smell of fire was on their clothes. This is the testimony of faith, the testimony of that name who saves His people from every trouble and storm. Even in the fiery furnace, Jehovah is standing. Even if the trial is fire, He